Hi, this is MmcKean with BISH'S RV out here in Junction City, and today we're going to look at this 2022 Arctic Fox 275L. First we'll walk around the outside, and then we'll take a look at the inside. So this is a double slide, one in the bedroom, one in the living area. Both slides have slide toppers, so very convenient for keeping it clean. Plenty of storage passed through here. This coach also comes equipped with auto leveling. Very convenient for setting it up. And come around to the back. You have frameless thermal pane windows on this. Very sleek, very nice. They open out, so even on a rainy day you can get some airflow. Convenient rear ladder with a tow hitch for bikes or whatever toys you might want to put in there. And it comes with a step above stairs, so they're very, very solid, very convenient. Nice set of stairs. So let's go inside. This one here has the rear L kitchen, so lots of counter space, lots of storage, big refrigerator, big pantry cabinet. Coming around to the dinette. Dinette does make into a bed, and then you have the reclining theater seating out in front of your TV. This is a full wall slide for makes it very open in here, very roomy. And coming up into the bedroom. You get a queen bed, walk around, lots of storage, lots of cabinet space, lots of headroom. You do have a skylight in here to let in some light, and dimmer lights, full-size bathroom, nice size shower, and a double entry, one from the bathroom and one from the hallway, or one from the bedroom and one from the hallway. So that's it. I hope you liked it. If you want to come out and see it, come see me. I'm MmcKean with BISH'S RV in Junction City.